Abandoned. Meaning, abandoned refers to something that has been left behind, forsaken, or no longer cared for. It can describe both physical things and situations where something or someone has been given up or deserted. Definition. Abandoned is the past participle of abandon, meaning something or someone that has been left alone without care, attention, or support. Examples and sentences. 1. The abandoned house was overgrown with weeds and had broken windows. In this example, abandoned describes a house that has been left empty and neglected. 2. The puppy was found abandoned in a cardboard box by the side of the road. Here, abandoned refers to the puppy being left alone without anyone to care for it. Abandoned often carries a sense of neglect or desertion, where something or someone is left without attention or care.